This tow truck had been parked for over 2 years. The batteries were completely dead. I connected our jump box on there, sprayed it with a little starting fluid, and it started right up. It turned over, but didn't start until I sprayed it with starting fluid. All it took was just a little spray. It started up, and it's been running for almost an hour now. It's got a 7.2-liter Caterpillar engine. It only has 43,000 original miles. It's got very low mileage. This one does not have air brakes. The brakes work well. I drove it in here in the parking lot. I moved it around, and it drives well. Engine sounds good. It's idle smooth. It revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages, and the AC is blowing ice cold, but it appears to have a bad blower motor. It only works on high, and it shut off a couple of times, and I just tapped where the blower motor is, and it kind of comes back on and off. So it may have a bad blower motor or resistor, but it is blowing cold right now. AC compressor engages, and AC blows cold. Engine sounds good. I'll rev it up so you can hear it. This one actually has high idle, and it works well. The bed also appears to be in good working condition. I'm going to turn this on here. But I don't want to fully extend it in case it gets stuck or something. I did try all the controls here. And you can see the bed slides in and out. It's sliding in and out. It goes up. It comes down, and the winch works. Oh, I hear it moaning, but the bed does slide in and out and up and down. This has a wood deck. The wood deck shows plenty of wear, and some of these wood planks are rotted. The steel frame on the bed appears to be solid, but it does show surface rust all around. All 6 tires look fair. They look really good, but they've been stopped for 2 years. They still don't show much dry rot or anything. I don't see any dry rot. I don't want to call them good because I know that they've been parked for 2 years. They may have flat spots, but they do look good, and we'll call them fair. The body on the cab, let me close the hood. Body on the cab looks good. It's got minor dents and scratches. The fiberglass cap in the front has a little damage here. A couple of little cracks right there, but no major damage. Overall, it looks pretty good. Front bumper's dented. Let me lower the idle and turn off the stereo. You can hear the AC's blowing, and it's blowing ice cold right now. But it will need a new blower motor or resistor. It only works on high as well. The front bumper is dented. little surface rust. No major rust anywhere. The doors have paint damage from the decal removal. The interior shows normal wear. The driver's was a whole bench seat, it's torn. No headliner. The steering wheel is worn all the way down to the metal. Rubber mat on the floor shows wear. The door panels are faded and show many scratches. The dashboard appears to be in pretty good shape. AC is blowing cold. All the gauges appear to work. The check engine light is on and it was flashing. There it goes, it's flashing. Check engine light is on and flashing. The rest of the seat looks good. Here's what I sprayed it with. Wasn't starting fluid, it's a car cleaner. And all it took was just a little bit. Got it going. All right, well, there it is. It's a 2000 GMC flatbed tow truck. More than likely was used for heavy equipment for the city. It's a city-owned flatbed truck. More than likely was used for to move their construction equipment around. It's been parked a long time. It's got very low miles, 43,000 original miles. Caterpillar engine sounds good. Automatic transmission engages. It drove well in the parking lot. The batteries are dead and did not pick up any charge. It's lot number 164. The 2000 GMC C6500. Good luck.